This is a vintage Marlboro brass belt buckle, and these are really heavy duty. These are nice belt buckles, and it's from 1987. And I've sold a lot of these. I shine them up. They don't usually come this shiny, but I shine a lot of my stuff up. Out of all the belt buckles I sell, Marlboro is always the best-selling belt buckle for some reason. It's a very good belt buckle quality, and everybody knows Marlboro Reds. It's just a good cowboy belt buckle. And it outsells Coors, it outsells Budweiser. It's the best-selling belt buckle out of everything I've ever sold between bull riding and bronco busting. Marlboro is always #1 for some reason. Check it out, I got them. Thanks.